Hey ChoroQ race fans, today we have a Suzuki Swift Super 1600 and it's dated 2005. It also says Junior World Rally Championship there. Sorry, it's not focused. This is a mobile phone I'm using here, so. Alright, let's see. Oh, look at that. This was actually sold at a Suzuki dealership. Genuine parts, interesting. May have been opened? No. Oh, maybe it, no, it seems to be new. Okay, it's weird. There's no like STO5 on that. Alright, let's get this going. Yep, it's taped off. It's got this hard plastic case, which frankly I don't care for. But I guess maybe people that go to dealerships want that stuff. But to me it's a waste of plastic. At least they keep it from getting scratched up by the cardboard. So it actually is nice that it tells you what it is here. But, you know, I don't want to look at stuff through a blister, right? It's kind of weird. So I save these and I just use them to make models. The base, though, unfortunately, does go away. It does say 2005 down there, by the way. Alright, let's look at these photos here. I assume this... I don't know how many of these cars they ran in that World Championship, but this sponsorship matches up pretty well. The Sanyo there. Shell Helix, they got the Shell logo on the door at least. And on the back, well, you got the silly coin holder, which is unfortunate. But you got two struts holding the wing on. Interesting. Okay. So it's got standard 5-spoke Choro-Q wheels. They're all blanked up, painted silver. You got the staggered tires. That's a really weird looking tire there, but it is almost 20 years old. But still, it's rubbery. These are wind up toys, by the way. So the body here is probably clear plastic, like this smoked plastic. You can see actually my fingers through the windscreen. And then they just paint it really nice, right? Even though that looks black to me, it's actually the dark plastic. Alright, so well, I guess what can do with the side. So yeah, door cuts. The door handle actually looks pretty well detailed. Some molding details there. A little bit of an orange peel effect, though. That's kind of strange. It's not so much down here, though. All this is paint. It's not a decal, so that's nice. The front end had nice textures here in the grills. They seem to even be different textures, and the paint is well laid in there. So all this sponsorship again looks really nice. It's oh, this one's a little crooked though. I assume that's also clear plastic, but it looks black. A little vent detail there. It's just raised, and they printed on these windscreen wipers, which really don't make sense because the thing just floats on the windscreen. They could have, you know, carried that down here, but it is a toy. The windshield banner is printed on nicely. The roof tampos are nice. It's a really shiny toy. Again, 20-year-old tires look really strange. The wing here, yeah, is pegging into the body there, and you can actually see a little bit of it because it's transparent. I like that they printed that on there. And then the tail heights, yeah, they're just red. Some sponsorship here. The stickers are a little crooked, but it's nice to know that, you know, what the car is. They tell you that. But I really wish they didn't have the coin holders in the first place. This one says, yeah, 05, and then standard construction of a screw and a tab. So let's move on and swap out these wheels. I like my rally cars, so I went ahead and 3D printed my own wheels for this thing. Oh, wow, pleasantly that fell through. So a lot of times that tab is really difficult to clear. So there's the smoked body, and then we have a white motor. But I gotta pop in another one. Since that windscreen is so dark, I gotta pop in this obnoxious looking motor because I probably won't see it anyways. I'm actually not gonna lower this. I'm not gonna use putty. It seems as a rally car, it doesn't need to have, you know, a super low stance. So I think the stance that was on there already looks good. These tires are from the previous project. There's a production dial there. I guess I should actually, I'm going to reuse this axle. So let's get that off. So this is a knurled axle. You know, I have to get some pliers around that thing. Then twist this guy off. Yeah, pretty tight. Well, this seems like a thick axle. You know, I'm not sure if this axle is going to work for me. I'm going to come back and find a different one. So here's a typical axle I'm used to from Choro-Q. I am not sure why this one is so thick. I guess Suzuki said make it really childproof. Anyways, so I gotta pop this in here because the motor's gonna trap it in place. Hook the tab there in the back and then press it down and that hooks over and there we go. And we gotta hook the back tab here. And yeah, it's a little gappy, but it is a rally car. And I gotta back screw it back. Yep, catch the thread. And there we go. I guess one could I could grind away the motor actually and make that less gappy. Good enough.